Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make the facial serum that I talked about in part 1. If you didn't see that video, I will make sure to put a link up above and you can check that out where I talk about the different oils in this recipe and the benefits. So let's get started. Now we're going to start with this bottle here. I think this is about 30 milliliters, I believe, and I got it on Amazon. I'll make sure to put down in the description below a link on how you can get these bottles. I also made the facial serum in this bottle. It's kind of cute. I love it. And created these labels on Canva. And I can put that in the link below too. So first, let's get started with Yarrow Pom. We are going to put 15 drops of Yarrow Pom in here. Yarrow Pom has this blue color. Sorry, can't talk and count at the same time. So 15 drops of Yarrow Pom. And then we have Immortelle. This is a blend from doTERRA. And it has all kinds of powerful oils in this blend. Let's see if I can read it to you. It has frankincense oil. It has sandalwood, lavender, myrrh, helichrysum, and rose. Rose is a powerful, powerful oil. And then I'm going to use this tool. Normally when you get roller bottles from Amazon, you can get this little tool here, and it helps you take off the tops of the roller bottles and some of the tops to the essential oil bottles, the orifices. So let's see if I can get this off here, because we're going to use 5 drops of Immortelle in here. And then I have a little dropper that I can get the drops out of here. Ooh. There we go. Got it out there. Okay. So I got a little pipette, and we're going to take 5 drops. 5 drops. Oh, I think that's good. And then we are going to close this up so I don't spill it. There we go. Then we're going to use frankincense. 7 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is the king of all oils. Given to baby Jesus as a gift along with myrrh. Okay, and then we have 7 drops of lavender. Lavender known as Swiss Army knife for a good reason. You can use lavender for just about anything. When in doubt, use lavender, frank it out, and you're good to go if you had those 2 oils. Okay, so ylang ylang or ylang ylang, however you would like to pronounce it. We're going to use 5 drops of that. I really love the smell of ylang ylang. It's so good. It also helps to increase libido, ladies. So ylang ylang. And then Nio wood. We have 2 drops of that. Now this was given to us as a gift when we were at convention last year. If you purchased your convention kit at convention, you got this Nile wood. It has a light, sweet, woody smell to it. So if you don't have Nile wood, I would just replace it with either take it out and don't use it, or use sandalwood, Hawaiian sandalwood, or you could use black spruce. Or like I said, don't use it, right? Still gonna be an amazing facial serum. Then we have helichrysum. Helichrysum, great for anything blood related. It's also, of course, great for your skin and reducing inflammation and all that, redness. But helichrysum, like if you had, this is one that you would definitely want to keep in your first aid kit. If you get a cut or anything like that, blood related, helichrysum is your friend. Okay, so you just put it right on your cut or scrape or whatever. So helichrysum, 2 drops of that. And then we have jasmine. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love jasmine. So good, so good. You could use this even like a perfume. So good. But in our facial serum, we're going to use 2 drops. There we go. Put some, that's a little perfume here. Oh, love me some jasmine. So not only is this facial serum going to be so great for your skin, it just has so many amazing benefits emotionally and, you know, physically. So now I'm going to put castor oil and argan. I'm just going to top it off, half and half. So I'm just going to squirt this in here. This is castor oil till I can see a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to put some argan oil in there. I have a little pipette that had a little bit of castor oil from last. Okay, so, ooh, the oil was a little close there. Okay, and I'm just going to top this off with argan and castor oil. These darker bottles are really hard to see sometimes, to know how close you are to the top. So if you have trouble seeing, probably don't get the black bottles. Maybe just the amber ones would be good, or green or something. Okay, almost to the top, I think. So yeah, this is gonna be perfect because I had a friend of mine call and say, hey, I need some more of that facial serum. So I'm making her one right now. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you like this video, and check out my next video where I talk about the benefits of frankincense. Have a great day, and leave a comment below if you want your own facial serum. I can make you one and you can purchase it from me. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.